Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C33 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and before a quick disclaimer, we have like two different ways to block a number. The first one by using the contacts, so you can block the number which is currently saved, and by using the settings, and there you will be able to block the number which is not saved, which you will enter manually. Of course, I'll show you both, and let's begin with the contacts. So let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. It can be Pedro. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to block the number. I don't want to report it as a spam, and let's tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is set right here that this number is blocked, and from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now, moving to the second way of blocking the number, you can do it on the contacts, recents or favorites. It doesn't really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon here and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contact. So everything went fine. We successfully blocked a number. And what I said at the very beginning of the video, here we can add a number manually. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see here, we can simply enter it and tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, at the top we've got the option unknown, and we can activate it just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. So basically that's all. This is how to block the number in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.